Good morning, students. Welcome back to General Knowledge class. Now, I am going to discuss page number 26 to 29. Page number 26, Chemistry Mystery. Many advances, both great and small, in the history of civilizations were preceded by the development in chemistry. These adventures are numerous, and it is virtually impossible to spend even a single day without experiencing them. Given below are the few questions related to the role of our chemistry in our daily lives. Take the best option. What is the chemical name of preservative that is added to preserve squashes for a long time? Potassium metabisulfite, calcium metabisulfite, sodium metabisulfite, sulfur metabisulfite. Answer is potassium metabisulfite. Which fiber is cotton made up of? Polythene, rayon, synthetic fiber, cellulose. Answer is cellulose. What do soft drinks such as cola contain in significant quantities? Tannin, nicotine, rennin, caffeine. Answer is caffeine. Which iron based alloy containing chromium and carbon is resistant to rusting? Steel, chromium, pig iron, gunmetal. Answer is steel. Which precious metals compounds are used in photography? Gold, lead, silver, platinum. Answer is silver. Which micro elements are needed to increase the soil fertility? Nitrogen, hydrogen, calcium. Second, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Third is iron, calcium, potassium, manganese, copper and zinc. Answer is nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. NPK. Micro elements are needed to increase the soil fertility. Which is the most commonly used source of energy for cooking and lighting purposes in rural India? Biogas, nuclear energy, solar energy, tidal energy. Answer is biogas. Which chemical is used to coat the tape of tape recorder? Copper sulfate, mica, zinc oxide, ferromagnetic powder. Answer is ferromagnetic powder. What is the composition of LPG? LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Methane, ethane and acetylene. Second is methane, propane and hexane. Third is methane, ethane and hexane. Fourth is butane, heptane and pentane. Answer is butane, heptane and pentane. Which acid does not contain oxygen? Hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, या all of these? First answer is hydrochloric acid. Which atomic rich mineral is largely found in India? Uranium, radium, thorium, या none of these? Answer is thorium. Why is helium preferred to hydrogen in airship? Because it is cheaper, it does not form explosive mixture with air, it has greater lifting power, it is less dense. Answer is it does not explosive mixture with air. Which acid is responsible for watering of eyes when we chop onions? Hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, hydrocyanic acid या sulfuric acid? Answer is sulfuric acid. Which of the following has the strongest bond? Graphite, oxygen, limestone, diamond. Answer is diamond. Which is the main chemical compound found in human kidney stones? Uric acid, ammonium hydroxide, calcium oxalate, calcium sulfate. Answer is calcium oxalate. Do you know monosodium glutamate is MSG known as Ajinomoto? It is the main ingredients of Chinese food. It enhances the flavor. Excessive intake of this ingredient can overstimulate the nerve cells, upset the balance of neurotransmitter. It leads to the problems like irregular heartbeat, blood pressure, diabetes, even obesity. जो ये बच्चों अजीनोमोटो है ना, ये उसमें यूज़ करते हैं चाइनीज़ फूड जैसे चाउमीन वगैरह में. इसमें नमक बहुत ज़्यादा आता है, उसकी क्वांटिटी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. अब है बच्चों ट्रीटमेंट टेक्नोलॉजी, पेज नंबर 28. गिवन बिलो इज़ द लेआउट ऑफ हॉस्पिटल waiting hall showing the placement of various chambers or units where specific techniques of diagnosis and treatments are carried out. Read carefully the description and label each chamber according to the description. Chamber first. This technique is useful in ascertaining various disorders of heart functioning. It is the process of graphic recording of heart's activity in the form of wave pattern. फर्स्ट का ए का आंसर है ECG. ECG की फुल फॉर्म क्या है? इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राफी. B. This technique helps in diagnosing several neurological disorders like epilepsy. In this technique, graphic recording of electrical activity of neurons, brain cells are recorded. EEG, electroencephalography. Third is, this technique is used to evaluate many internal organs, detecting gallbladder stones, liver, kidney abnormalities, monitoring fetal growth. In this technique, high frequency sound waves are used in sonar for imaging the body organs. The patterns of reflective waves converting into diagnostic information through the device called transducer. It is run over the area being imaged. Ultrasound. D. This technique allows doctors to directly peep into patient's body, not hollow organs like food pipe, windpipe, bladder, intestine, uterus, using a sophisticated tool which consists of light emitting fibers, viewing lens, and a steering device on one end. Besides viewing surgical attachments on its help in performing minor operation, endoscopy. E part. This technique is important in evaluation of head, chest, spine, organs of the abdomen like liver, gallbladder, pancreas, kidneys, urinary bladder, also pelvis. It can also correlate abnormalities within bone marrow arteries. This technique utilizes the physical properties of magnetic field, radio waves, computers to generate the images of body in any plane. MRI full form is magnetic resonance imaging. F. This technique is used for imaging various body organs for evaluating the extent of trauma, injuries, and disease progression. It allows physician to view wafer thin cross sections of the internal anatomy with all without the need of surgery. Imaging capabilities of X-rays with highly sophisticated processing power of computers are used for accomplishing this task. CT scan, computerized tomography. This technique helps in crushing of certain types of kidneys, stones of other organs like gallbladder, liver by shock waves. It does not require surgery. It is simple, short procedure about 45 minutes to 1 hour that requires no formal hospitalization, that is lithotripsy. H is this technique is the oldest and the most frequently used form of medical imaging. It uses a small dose of ionizing radiation to produce pictures of body's internal structure. It is often used to help the diagnose fractured bones, look for injury, and to locate foreign objects in soft tissues. X-rays. Do you know PET? Position emission tomography. It is a modern non-invasive imaging technique that uses a radioactive drug to create the images of body function and metabolism. The tracer may be injected, swallowed, or inhaled depending on the organ which is being studied by the PET scan. Mammography. It is a specific type of breast imaging that uses low dose X rays to detect the cancer early before women experience symptoms. Thanks. Have a nice day.